I'm Antonio Ibarra, Navy corpsman, served during the Korean War. Here I am, a recipient of beautiful solar panels on my roof.
My name was picked, I won the solar panels. So he said, Mark, that's like winning the lottery. I said, yeah.
Semper Cares is an initiative that we came up with to give back to the disabled or needy or deserving veterans. We do it a few times a year, whether it's a free roof or a free roof and solar, and it's our way of giving back to the community.
Well, what you do to deserve this is, I don't know. I'm just the luckiest person in the world, that's all.
They said, we're gonna donate a solar system to you. And I was like, oh my gosh, you don't know how grateful I am for this.
Very proud to work for an organization that loves to give back, especially to our veteran community.
We appreciate all your help, and you got a great bunch of people working here.
A lot of these guys come home and they're not able to pull this off by themselves. So being that we go out and are able to assist and help them get something, it just means so much to everybody.
It was pretty cool because, it's veterans giving to veterans.
Every one of these is amazing to do for the vets. I can't even tell you. And everybody here on the crew and everybody on the roof, if you talk to any of them, all they'll say is, I am beyond happy to do this. I wish I could do it every day for somebody. It's the old, it feels better to give than to receive. And with something like this, it feels way better to give than to receive.
Thank you, Semper Solaris. And it reminds me of the Marine Corps, Semper Fi,
They were the nicest people I've ever met, as if they were neighbors of mine. They really made me feel like someone I've known for a while,
What this company is doing is a very genuine and heartfelt thank you to our veterans. My parents moved into this house when it was brand new in 1961. This is helping them stay in the home they love, and they've been here with a lot of memories in this house, and the whole family really appreciates what they've done.
Number one, we're recognizing veterans, and we have an entrepreneur who is providing for the people out of his own pocket. So for Kelly, hats off, Kelly. I salute him for a job well done.